Hello everyone, so for today we are now heading to our venue for the billiard competition of NORA 2025. And by the way, our location or venue for billiard will be at Good Shot Solomon Avenue. So paingon nami actually ani, and we're now listening to the orientation provided by the officiating officials. And so, let the billiard game begins. By the way, this is actually my first time watching billiard competition, and at the same time, a billiard champion for this NORA, because last year I was at athletics and now I am assigned to billiard. And honestly, karon pa ako ka-realize nga chada jud pud ang billiard as kanang imuhang dula. Though daghan siya mga rules and everything and you need to follow, but if you're a player, of course, kabalo naman siya kaana. But yeah, maka-amaze kaayo nga. Imagine at their age, kabalo na sila na nga kind of game. And finally, thank you Lord, our day 1 is humanagyod. Day 1 pa, since we will be back tomorrow for another batch of dula na pod. And while waiting sa amo ang usa nga coach, so naa sa mi diri sa boulevard, katambay-tambay, galakaw-lakaw, then kalantaw sa dagat na kusog kayo jud. Kusog ang balod sa dagat. Nya while gahulat kay napapaybili na mo ang snack, amo na lamang sad pud nga gikaon kay gipanggutom na pud awon. And naabot na jud mo ang coach, so na maula ni mi. Balik na mi sa mo ang quarter. Di pang kapoy na pud ang mga first one, so mamakaway na pud pagkabot. Tadan! Naabot na mi. And naluya.